welcome back to my channel. My name is Usha'll Try, and we are now on the 7th episode of the 20 Recipe Challenge. And for this episode, I'm actually going to share with you how I attempted to recreate one of my favorite dishes from my top 3 cuisine. So I don't have one favorite cuisine or one favorite dish, but I have top 3, and I've already done Italian, I've already done Iranian as well, and now I'm actually going to do an Indian cuisine. And so I'm going to show you how I actually attempted to do a biryani. And this one specifically is going to be shrimp biryani, which is I think the easiest biryani to do out of all the dishes because of the cooking process as well. And meat usually takes longer. So in Geneva, there's a lot of like Indian restaurants, but I usually go to a Pakistani Indian restaurant that is run by a father and son. Just outside the border, and it's a 20-minute car ride. And so whenever I go to that restaurant, and it's called actually Rajput, if you guys are interested, and if you're in Switzerland or in France, you might want to check that out. And whenever I go there, I only have one go-to dish, and this is the shrimp biryani. So I usually try to figure out how they do their biryani. It's quite hard to, you know, with all those spices that they use, and the taste is just amazing. And I think from the menu itself, it says that it has 23 spices, which I don't think I'm even near that, because I think I only have 10 spices to do this biryani, but I'm gonna do my own version, of course. And biryani is not only using a lot of spices, but it has this traditional way of cooking it as well. And there is this thing called dum cooking method, which basically means breathe in. So it's letting the aroma and the spices like blend and breathe in all together without letting air and moisture out. So the traditional way is that they use an oven for this, even, or on a clay pot and covered by dough so that there's no air that comes out. So for this recipe, I'm not using the dough method. I'm gonna just use foil instead of cloth as well, so that it will actually seal in all the air and moisture. And this is a slow cooking process that usually involves 15 to 25 minutes time of cooking on low heat until all that aroma is blended in the rice and everything. So let me show you now how I actually tried to recreate my favorite dish, the shrimp biryani. So I'm using here 1.5 cups of basmati rice soaked now for 30 minutes in water. And I'll be using 200 grams of fresh prawns, 2 red onions, which we will be frying until brown, and 2 tomatoes, fresh coriander leaves and fresh mint leaves. I also have here 1/2 cup of plain yogurt. As for the cooking of the rice, we will be using cinnamon, bay leaves, cloves, anise, and cardamom seeds. And for the marinade of the shrimps, we will be using the following spices. So I have here a ginger garlic paste in the middle, and then here is a garam masala. No, it's not garam masala, it's biryani masala. You can either do it on your own, or you can buy this as well in Indian stores. And I have here chili powder, coriander, cumin, turmeric, and paprika, and of course salt. And I'll be using as well half lemon juice, and of course I'm using olive oil, but you can opt for vegetable or sunflower oil. So these are all the ingredients, and we're ready to get started.